Welcome back, experienced moms. Breastfeeding isn't just about getting started, it's a journey that evolves as your baby grows. Today, we'll take it to the next level with expert tips designed specifically for moms like you. These insights will help you navigate common challenges, fine-tune your techniques, and make your breastfeeding experience even more rewarding. If you're ready to dive deeper, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more expert parenting advice. As your baby grows, their feeding patterns and behaviors change. From cluster feeding to distracted nursing, it's important to stay flexible. One expert tip: create a distraction-free feeding zone for older babies who are curious about their surroundings. It helps maintain focus and keeps feeds efficient. Share in the comments what changes you've noticed in your baby's feeding habits as they've grown. Introducing solids doesn't mean the end of breastfeeding. It's about balance. Offer breast milk before solids to maintain your supply and ensure your baby is still getting essential nutrients. Advanced tip: keep a feeding diary to track your baby's preferences and ensure they're getting a balanced diet. Let me know if you've tried this approach and how it's worked for you. Even experienced moms can upgrade their pumping game. Use a warm compress before pumping to stimulate letdown and massage your breasts during sessions to maximize output. For storing milk, label with dates and rotate your stash to minimize waste. What's your best pumping hack? Drop it in the comments to help other moms. Breastfeeding a toddler comes with its own set of challenges. Setting boundaries and establishing a feeding schedule can help manage their growing independence while continuing to provide comfort and nutrition. Remember, every journey is unique. Do what feels right for you and your child. Have you breastfed a toddler? Share your top tips below. Even seasoned moms face challenges like supply dips, nursing strikes, or self-weaning. If you're feeling stuck, reach out to a lactation consultant or join a local breastfeeding support group. You'd be surprised at how common these challenges are and how quickly they can be resolved with the right advice. What's the biggest challenge you've overcome in your breastfeeding journey? Inspire others by sharing your story. Breastfeeding is a lifelong learning process, and even as an experienced mom, there's always something new to discover. Thank you for spending time with me today. If these expert tips were helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with another mom who could use some extra support. Don't forget to subscribe for more parenting tips and resources. See you in the next video.